Welcome to MindHaven, your sanctuary for peace, for healing, for release. Today, we are taking a gentle journey to let go of what no longer serves us. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Let your hands rest softly wherever they feel natural. Close your eyes if it feels right and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your chest with calm, and out through your mouth, letting the day begin to fade. One more time. In and out. Good. Let your breathing settle into its own rhythm now, effortless and easy. Feel your body where it meets the surface beneath you. The chair, the floor, the bed. Notice any points of contact in your shoulders, in your back, in your legs. There is no need to change anything. Just notice and soften. Imagine a gentle warmth spreading through you, starting at your feet, moving up your legs, across your torso, down your arms, and up to the crown of your head. As this warmth flows, whisper to yourself, I am here. I am calm. Repeat it silently. I am here. I am calm. Let it anchor you in this moment, in your sanctuary. Now, let your mind drift to a quiet place. A place where a river flows. Picture it clearly. A wide, steady river. Its water smooth and shimmering under a soft light. Maybe it's daytime, with sunlight dancing on the surface, or evening, with a glow of twilight reflection in the ripples. You're standing on the riverbank. The ground beneath you is soft. Maybe grass, maybe sand. Feel it under your feet, cool and grounding. Listen. Can you hear the water? That gentle, constant flow. A sound that soothes, calling you to release. Breathe in, and as you exhale, say to yourself, I flow with ease, let it settle. I flow with ease. As you stand here, bring to mind something you're ready to let go of. It could be a worry that's been heavy on your shoulders, a memory that lingers too long, a fear, a regret, or even a small frustration. Whatever it is, there is no judgment here. Just let it rise into your awareness, like a leaf floating up to the surface of your mind. See it, feel its weight. You don't need to hold it tightly anymore. You are safe here by this river. Silently repeat, I release what weighs me down. Feel it begin to loosen. I release what weighs me down. Now imagine picking up that leaf, that thought, that feeling. Hold it gently into your hands. Notice its shape, its texture. It's yours to release. When you are ready, step closer to the river's edge and place that leaf onto the water. Watch it touch the surface. See how the current catches it so effortlessly. It begins to drift, carried away by the flow, moving further from you, growing smaller. As it floats away, say to yourself, I let go. I am free. Let these words ripple through you. I let go. I am free. Feel your hands lighten, your chest soften as it drifts out of sight. If there is more you'd like to release, another leaf, another weight, go ahead, pick it up, hold it for a moment, and place it in the river, one by one. Let the water take them. Each time, repeat, I let go. I am free. Feel yourself growing lighter, freer. The river knows where to carry these things away from you, dissolving into its vastness. You don't need to follow them. You can stay here on this peaceful bank, breathing, being, anchored by the mantra, I let go. I am free. Now notice how you feel. The space where those weights once were, it's opening up, filling with calm, with possibility. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let that calm spread through you, from your heart to your fingertips, to your toes. Whisper to yourself, I am light. I am whole. Feel it expand. I am light. I am whole. You have made room for peace, for yourself. The river flows on, steady and sure, and you remain here whole, light, at ease. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Feel the surface beneath you again. Take one more deep breath in and out, and silently say, I am here. I am calm. If you would like, open your eyes, carrying this lightness with you into your day or your night. Thank you for joining me here at MindHaven. This river is always here for you whenever you need to let go.